Whether it's your ultimate fitness goal to get six-pack abs, or you simply want to rock that new swimsuit, acquiring a toned set of six-pack abs is something many people want. While the result would be amazing, the journey to getting six-pack requires hard work and dedication. Still, rest easy, because it doesn't mean hitting the gym every day, nor does you have to become a professional bodybuilder to do so. And the fastest way to achieve that is by making a few changes to your diet and lifestyle, such as diet and exercise, which we will be getting on in a while. Mind you, these seemingly simple modifications are enough to drive solid, long-lasting results, and of course, a six-pack abs. So, what are we waiting for? Join us as we talk about these changes that will make your fitness dream into a reality. 1. Perform more cardio, otherwise known as aerobic exercise. Cardio refers to any form of exercise that increases your heart rate. Regularly doing cardio as part of your workout routine helps burn extra fat and speed your progress of getting a set of six-pack abs. Plus, studies have shown that cardio is very effective in reducing belly fat, which in turn, can make your abdominal muscles more visible. 2. Get used to exercising your abdominal muscles. The rectus abdominis is the muscle that creates the appearance of six-pack. Other abdominal muscles you should also work on are the internal and external obliques and the transverse abdominis. Exercising those muscles is essential in boosting your muscle mass and achieving six-pack abs. Bridges, planks, and abdominal crunches are some of the most popular exercises that will strengthen your abdominal muscle and encourage the appearance of those abs. 3. High-intensity interval training. HIIT, in short, II is a form of exercise that involves switching between intense bursts of activity and short resting periods. High-intensity interval training keeps your heart rate up and boosts fat burning. Adding them in your exercise routine helps reduce weight while making it easier to gain six-pack abs. Some examples of HIIT are burpees, jumping jacks, and mountain climbers. You can alternate between those with a short break in between. 4. No to processed foods. Heavily processed foods including crackers, chips, cookies and convenience foods are no-go for you. Or anything that's high on carbs, sodium, calories, and fat should be off limits. Such foods also have normally low nutrient content such as fiber, minerals, protein, and vitamins. Instead, go for whole foods as these can help boost weight loss, reduce belly fat, and help you get a six-pack abs. 5. Less on refined carbs. Minimizing your consumption of refined carbs is good in losing extra fat and gaining six-pack abs.